Is the new KitchenAid Artisan Plus worth its $600 price tag? This video explores the biggest upgrade to the iconic mixer since 1955. KitchenAid has over a century of history, with most units manufactured in Ohio. The brand remains a global leader, and now, for the first time in 70 years, the classic tilt head design has received a significant technology upgrade. What makes the new Plus model special? It brings precision control with 11 speeds, an integrated LED bowl light for better visibility, and maximum efficiency through its stainless steel double flex edge beater. The integrated LED light is a true game changer. It eliminates shadows inside the 5-quart bowl, allowing you to perfectly monitor the color and texture of your ingredients while you mix. Control is enhanced with 11 speed settings. The new half-fold speed is perfect for incorporating delicate ingredients like blueberries without losing air, while soft start technology prevents messy flour cloud. The Artisan Plus comes with premium stainless steel hardware, including a wire whisk, dough hook, and the double flex edge beater. This heavier, durable beater scrapes both sides of the bowl and is entirely dishwasher safe. In our performance lab, the mixer excelled. The half-fold speed prevented overmixing for whipped cream, while the 350-watt motor powered through thick cookie dough without any head rocking. Small details make a difference. The redesigned pouring shield now features silicone grips for a secure fit, the bowl handle is ergonomically upgraded, and a built-in cable tidy keeps your workspace organized. Designed for the modern kitchen, the Artisan Plus features the 2026 Color of the Year Spearmint with a unique tactile finish. Other exclusive new finishes include sun-dried tomato, wild blueberry, iron ore bronze, and oat. Comparing the models, the Artisan Plus sits at the top of the lineup. While it is the most expensive at $599, it is the only one offering the 11th speed, LED light, and premium stainless accessories. In a premium showdown against the Smeg 4-Day, the KitchenAid Artisan Plus comes out on top. It offers superior performance and features for $50 less than its competitor. The Artisan Plus remains part of the legendary KitchenAid Hub ecosystem. You don't need to replace your existing attachments. It is fully compatible with everything you already own, from pasta rollers to ice cream makers. A quick reality check. At $599, this is a premium investment. It is quite heavy, so find a permanent spot on your counter, and be aware that the motor can get loud at higher speeds. Should you upgrade? If you are an occasional baker, a classic model is likely sufficient. However, for the passionate creator who bakes weekly and demands precision, the Artisan Plus is well worth the investment. We give the KitchenAid Artisan Plus a perfect 5 out of 5 stars. It is the biggest advancement in years. Check the video description for current deals, and let us know in the comments which color you prefer.